Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, today we are going to do the evaluation for all the topic this week. I will take from the science, IPA, and math.
Math.
So here we have the homework of, we start from IPA first. Okay, please answer from the question number 1.
Oke, jadi IPA ini adalah review dari bab 2 tentang perubahan wujud benda. Jadi air termasuk benda gas itu adalah salah, harusnya cair. Yang kedua, jika udara berbentuk padat, apakah manusia masih bisa bernapas normal, itu salah karena kita tidak bisa menghirup benda padat. Yang ketiga, lilin padat yang dipanaskan menjadi cair disebut melebur, itu benar. Yang keempat, air membeku pada suhu 0 derajat Celcius juga benar. Embun lebih sering muncul pada siang hari karena udara lebih panas, itu salah karena embun muncul pada pagi hari karena udaranya lebih dingin. Apa contoh perubahan kimia? Ada banyak, misalnya adalah besi yang berkarat, pembakaran kertas, dan lain-lain. Adalah daur, ini yang nomor 2 adalah siklus air. Siklus air. Nomor 3, apa istilah perubahan lilin dari padat menjadi cair itu disebut melebur. Yang keempat, apa contoh perubahan fisika yang bisa kembali ataupun reversible, itu bisa es yang mencair, bisa dibekukan kembali. Kemudian nomor 5, apa itu pemanasan global? Adalah meningkatnya suhu di udara akibat efek rumah kaca. Jelaskan bagaimana kehidupan akan berbeda jika udara berbentuk benda padat. Nah, ini adalah sesuatu yang tidak mungkin karena jika udara berbentuk benda padat, maka kita manusia bahkan hewan itu tidak akan bisa menghirup udara dan kehidupan tidak akan bisa berjalan secara normal karena kita tidak bisa melangsungkan kehidupan kita. Mengapa embun muncul di pagi hari bukan di siang hari? Karena di pagi hari udara itu terasa lebih dingin, suhunya juga lebih dingin, jadi lebih gampang membentuk uap air. Nomor 3, mengapa korosi dianggap berbahaya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari? Karena korosi ini adalah perubahan kimia yang bisa merusak benda seperti besi. Jadi material-material kita itu bisa rusak, bisa mengakibatkan kerugian bagi kita. Dan jika pun tersentuh oleh tangan, itu bisa mengakibatkan iritasi. Kemudian nomor 4, jelaskan perbedaan sifat fisika dan kimia beserta contohnya. Nah, ini adalah praktik yang kami lakukan di minggu ini. Perbedaan sifat fisika dan sifat kimia itu adalah sifat yang kalau fisika itu dia bisa dilihat secara fisiknya, wujudnya. Namun kalau kimia itu dia harus menghasilkan zat baru, seperti itu. Contoh dari sifat fisika, perubahan sifat fisika itu bisa pada lilin yang meleleh, tapi kalau sifat kimia itu bisa pada apel yang membusuk, seperti itu. Nomor 5, bagaimana cara mencegah dampak buruk kenaikan permukaan laut? Itu bisa kita mulai dari kita sendiri, adalah kita berusaha supaya efek rumah kaca itu tidak meningkat. Maka jika jaraknya dekat, kita bisa menggunakan kaki, maksudnya berjalan kaki saja, tidak usah menggunakan kendaraan bermotor. Kemudian kita bisa menanam mangrove, melakukan reduisasi, dan lain-lain.
Okay, I think it's clear for IPA. Now we move to science. So the science is about review as well, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
okay,
You can start from
science.
question number 1.
Okay, number 1. So this question is about our project. Actually, we are making tempeh. So number 1, soybean must be soaked overnight before making tempeh. Yeah, it's true. Number 2, tempeh starter or ragi is a microorganism that help fermentation. Also true. Number 3, the fermentation process takes only a few hours. This is false because we need to wait until 2 until 3 days. Number 4, after fermentation, soybean changes into solid white blocks with a fresh smell. This is also true. Number 5, fermentations should be done in a warm place. Yeah, microorganism. A warm place will help the microorganism grow faster. So this is true.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Number 1, tiny living things can only be seen with a microscope as microorganism. Number 2, the process of changing soybean into tempeh is fermentation. Number 3, a fungus used in tempeh starter is Rhizopus fungi. Number 4, the main ingredients to make tempeh is soybean. Number 5, a healthy traditional Indonesian food that made from soybean is tempeh.
Tempeh, yeah.
Okay, number 1, So why do we soak the soybean overnight before making tempeh? So this is for soften those. We need to make the soybean become soft, and it will help the fermentation process. Number two, what is the role of tempeh starter in the fermentation process? Is make the microorganism. So the ragi is the microorganism that help the tempeh build the white blocks. And then number three, why do we need to make a small holes in a plastic bag? Because we need to help the regulation of oxygen, so it can help the microorganism to grow inside the plastic. Number four, what change do you observe? So after, if your fermentation success, you will see the white blobs inside the plastic.
Okay, Miss. Yeah, about the project that we have done actually, because last time we have some tempeh is not unite well, right? So can you explain why does it happen? You can see last time there is a tempeh that made the perfect block, right? And there is a tempeh that doesn't make the perfect block.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the question. So actually, after we put the soybean inside the plastic, we need to press them because it will help the white blocks perfect. If you make too much space, it will make the white block like they have so many space. They cannot make a perfect shape like that. Sir.
Okay, I see. Okay, I think it's clear for science. Now we move to math. Here we have about the proportion. Okay, we
Okay.
can start from the question number one.
So this is a new chapter, ratio and proportion. What does direct proportion means is what direct proportion means one quantity increase, so the other B. This is B.
Yeah, what does the direct proportion mean?
Direct proportion means they are same, directly same. Like if 1 out of 2, so you. Can I borrow marker, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So direct proportion means like if 1 to 2, you can write another ratio. The number can be different, but the value should be same. Like if you times this to 5 to, I think this one to 10. So this one, if you did 1 to 5 is times by 5, so this 2 should be times by 5.
Yeah.
So both of them have the same value. Okay,
Yeah.
so number 2, which word describe the comparison between the two numbers is uh,
Okay, so for the question number two,
okay.
yeah,
So which word describe the comparison between two numbers is ratio. See?
it's a ratio. Okay.
Okay, so equivalent ratio means the value should be same. So 2 to 3, it's equivalent with 4 to 6, it's A.
Okay, next
Okay,
number
number
four.
4, the golden ratio is approximately 1618, it's B.
So what is this golden ratio? Actually?
Golden ratio is the special mathematical number that you need to know when you are learning about geometry. So it's the comparison between the rectangle, this shorter and long,
The longest
the
part.
short and the long one, A over B, maximum approximately is 1618.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next question number five.
A and B share money in the ratio 2 to 3. If A got 18, how much does B get? So for this one, okay, actually I teach the students to do this one easier using the table, but if they already know directly, they can do it directly. So look at this, A and B represent A and B, so 2 and 3. So A is 2 and B is 3. So you see here, if 8 is 18. So 2 to 18 is times how many? 18 divided by 2 is times by
40.
40. So this 3 just times with 40. 3 times 40 equals to $120.
Yeah. $120. Okay.
And yeah, I always remind my students to write down the units.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. 6.
Actually, same question like the previous number. Emma is 5, Lily is 7, and Emma has 25. So 25 by 5 is 5. And then for Lily, 7 times 5. So
Yeah.
it's B.
Okay, 7.
Cats and dogs. So cats and dogs. Yeah. So cats is 4, dogs is 9. So 36 divided by 9 is 4 times 4, it's C.
16, yeah. Number 8, this is last one.
This is Tom. 70 because 50 divided by 5 times 7, it's 70.
Okay, if Tom gets 5, oh yeah, 70, yeah.
What happened with this? I don't know.
Okay, this question.
Boy and girls. Boy is 3, girls is 4. So go 24 divided 6. This is C, 18.
Okay, next, 10.
The longer one is 5. Yeah, even it's not mentioned here. You can see 2 is more than 5. So the longer one is 5. 25
5
divided.
is more than 2.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
mean 5 is more than 2. Sorry, I mean, yeah, 5 is more than 2. So 25 divided by 5 is 5 times 2, it's 10 centimeter.
Yeah, it's 10 centimeter. Go to 11.
If they're the blue one, so this is red and blue, so 3 and 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 3, so it's C, 9.
It's 9, yeah. Okay, we just go to question number 14.
Car and bike, if the bike 12, so 12 divided by 4, 21, C. And the last, the ratio of the width is 14. What is this? The length, and also 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 5 is D, 35 centimeter.
7, yeah, 35 centimeter. Okay. Yeah, I think that is clear for math.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I want to ask from the book first.
Yes, sir.
Here for the math, actually you will teach from page this one, right? 128
Yeah,
until 133. 128. So let's talk about the concept of this topic first, because this have actually almost same between the proportion and the ratio.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between these two?
Okay, thank you, sir. So ratio is the comparison between two numbers, but the proportion is the comparison between two ratio. So should we have proportion means same value, sir. For example, ratio. If there is number 3 to 4, we can call this comparison as ratio.
Ratio. Okay,
Ratio.
so proportion.
What is proportion is I will write another ratio that have the same value with this ratio. Proportion means comparison between two ratio. If ratio, comparison between two numbers.
So can you give example of proportion?
Okay, proportion, I can make it into I times 2, 6, and 8. So 3 to 4 is proportion with 6 to 8.
Oh, so
The proportion means equal, same value.
okay, the proportion means the same value of the ratio. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it means this ratio must be always be written in the simplest form.
Actually, not really. Sometimes there is a question like 10 to 15, but if in the final answer, I always suggest my students to write in the simplest form. The key is the ratio should be written in whole number, may not decimal, may not fraction.
Yeah, it may not be decimal actually. So let's see in the real situation, because last time I have learned about this ratio actually. If we want to compare boys and girls in the class, is it called ratio or proportion?
Ratio, sir.
So it's
Because
ratio.
we just compare two numbers.
Two numbers.
Two numbers.
Okay, I see. 128. Okay, maybe we can just answer from this question, question number 7.
Okay. Now, a piece of ribbon of length is 90 centimeter. It's cut into two pieces. The length is 4 to 6. Find the length. Find the length of the shorter. So the shorter is 4, right, sir?
Yeah.
So if this is the total, like this is different with the homework just now. We can see this is the total of the two pieces is 90. So the weight is just right table actually, sir. The parts you can see this is 4,
Yeah, I still can see it.
4, 6, and the total is
10.
10. So you can see the total of the length is 90. You can see from 10 to 90 is times by 9,
Yeah.
or 90 divided by 10 is how many? 9. So you just times 9 all. 4 times 9
Okay,
equals to
okay.
36. 6 times 9 equals to 54.
54. So
So
the shorter one?
the shorter is um,
No, it's actually
4.
4. 4
Yeah,
times.
4 times 10. Why 9 just now? Sorry,
Yeah,
10,
yeah.
sir. 4
4
times
times
10
10.
is 40.
40. No, it's not times 10. It's times
Sorry,
9.
times
Times 9.
9.
Yeah.
Sorry. 9 to 90.
Yeah.
Okay?
10 to 90.
10 to 90. Oh my god, sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 4 times 9 is
36.
36.
Yeah.
So
36.
36 centimeter. Don't forget the
36
centimeter.
centimeter, and the
The
smallest one will be
yeah,
54, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, how about the question number 8?
Okay, Jane worked for 2 full days and was paid $70. Alice worked for 3 full days. Are they free? So for this one, you need to say, how do you say if they are fair? So the ratio should be proportion. So you just compare 70 divide first. 70 divided by 2. 1 day, how many dollars? So this Jane, 1 day, $35.
Yeah, 35.
This who is
Alice.
Alice, 3 days. So 100 divided by 3 is 33 point something. So this is 35 and Alice only 33. So they are not fair.
Okay. Yeah, I think that is clear for this proportion and
Ratio.
ratio. Okay. Yeah, it means for this week, because since this week is about science project, so you will have the summary point, right?
Yes. Oh yeah.
I will try to open it first.
Okay.
Where is it?
Uh,
In here.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, here we have this one, right?
yes.
Okay, maybe you can explain these points first, miss.
Okay, thank you, sir. So for this summary points, we learn about microorganism. We also learn about viruses and bacteria. So virus and bacteria can cause infectious disease, and we call as germs. So number 2, the germs can enter our body through eyes, nose, mouth, and skin. So I always ask my students to try to prevent to spread the germs by washing hands or use the so like that's and then number three, some diseases like malaria are caused by protozoa and it can transmitted by the mosquitoes. So this is about the previous lesson about the disease that caused by virus, bacteria, protozoa, and the others.
Okay. Yeah, I think that is good for this summary points. Now we move to vocabularies.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, now we have the vocabularies here. Since this week the science project and the IPA will be talk about the splash book, right? So you just have the math vocabularies here. We start from proportion.
Okay, so proportion is an equation that states two equal ratios. So if 1 over 2 and 2 over 4, they are have same value, so we call them as proportion. They are in a same proportion.
Okay, golden ratio.
So golden ratio is a special mathematical number, approximately 1,618. So this special number, you will use it in geometry, comparing between the shorter and the longer side with a rectangle.
Equivalent ratio.
So equivalent ratio means the ratio that has the same value. For example, 2 to 5 are equal to 20 to 50 or 4 to 10 like that.
Yeah, rectangle.
So rectangle is a four side shape that have the two pair of them have the same value. So the rectangle has four sides and there are two pairs that have the same length.
Okay, Miss. Yeah, I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sir.